Welcome back again to another episode of the Slab Kings. This your boy I Will 3. What it do, guys? Hey, as you are checking out the video, please hit the subscribe and like button as we study trying to bring you more content and try to up our level in the game. Again, we are the Slab Kings, so we will be bringing you slab material, new breaks, and of course, still the slab cars that we celebrated down here in Houston. Right now, again, I'm catching up on product as just recently being back into the car collecting game, probably about maybe the last 6 to 8 months. So, sometimes you may see older product that I hadn't had a chance to get my hands on, which is just to be the case for today. Quick video. I'm going to be busting open some Topps Chrome baseball. This is a 2022. And I think I don't know if they got the Chrome out of 23 yet, but I know they have, as you can see down here on the end, they got the new Bowman set 23 and the regular Topps 23. So we'll be busting it open in a near future video. But right now, we're concentrating on this 22 product. See, we got Wander Franco, the hot rising star from Tampa Bay Rays. We have 32 cards, 7 packs and 1 extra pack, 4 cards per pack. And unlike some of you guys with those younger eyes, my eyes are a little bit more advanced. So I don't know what we're going to get as far as eligible to be able to receive on-card autographs, special inserts. But we're just going to cut them open and see what we find, guys. Hope you guys are enjoying your day. Each day above ground, man, is a good day. So that's how I look at it. Try to have a positive outlook on life. I really am enjoying, being back car collecting, man. I really loved this as a kid. Just fun collecting cars and really, checking out the artistry of the pictures the photographers took of the players, man. I really like that. Okay. Again, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and an extra pack. So we got 8. Let's get to ripping. Hope we can get some good autograph material. Or inserts, whichever float our boat. Okay. Some sparkly already. This is Boba shit. Always liked the Chrome. I always like the quality of the stock and the kind of the mirror imagery. This card here, this is Giants, Brandon Crawford. I don't know what. Let me see. I can't hardly see that, fellas. I don't know what it is. It's real nice and sparkling. Let's see what's on the back. Let's see if it's numbered. Not numbered, but I'll figure out what that is. But we'll put that to the side, put it in a penny holder. And we have, this is Johan Monica for the White Sox. And then we have, this seems to be a rookie, Seth Beer. This is nice. And I got a big haul coming back from PSA. Man, I had initially sent this in back in January, but just now was able to get it returned to me. And I actually have a Seth beer that I sent off. And if I'm not mistaken, it came back on PSA 10. So, but that was just a regular base, a regular card. All right. We have Brandon Marsh. This is a rookie card. Phillies. Max Scherzer went to the Mets. Like the Mets tried to go all in. Got Max Scherzer and my boy Verlander. They went with 2 veteran arms, man. So, see what they're going to do with that. All right, we have Milwaukee, Heart of the City. Trying to see this guy's name. Josh that Harper or Hardner? Homer? I'm sorry. That print so little, man. Nice card, though. Let's see if it's numbered. No, it's not numbered. And we got Zach Thompson. This is record with Pittsburgh. And, oh, I like this. This is Ryan McMahon. This is some type of maybe refractor or black and white. What is this? I can't really tell. It's not numbered though, but that's a cool look. I figured out what it is. Usually a lot of times, I'm not gonna lie, I have to go to Google or one of the supporting apps that kind of gives you comps. I said Google. I meant to say eBay. They give you comps on the cards and more information. And we have another rookie. This is Curtis Perry. And we have Nick Castellanos. Now we got a throwback card. This is Joey Votto. It's that 87 Topps look. Is it numbered? Nope. And last we have Ryan Zimmerman. All right. Next up, we have rookie card of Rodolfo Castro. Okay. This is Trevor Story, the Colorado Rockies. Blake Snell, San Diego. Ryan Mountcastle. This is his Topps Gold Cup rookie. So not technically a rookie, maybe like a second year, but rookie All-Star Cup. I heard the Orioles have some nice young players. And then we have Trevor, I think this is Larnock, and a pink. All right. You know, it's amazing how some of those franchises, man, could be up and good for so long, and then once they get bad, they get terrible. It's like they forgot how to manage the minor league system. They trade away all their good players. You know, hell, the Orioles ain't really been good since Cal Ripken was there. That has been almost, 15, 20 years now. And once you get in that rut, it's hard to get out of. All right, here we go. We have Will Castro. Who was he with? Detroit. Brandon Belt. He's with San Francisco. Matt Verlin. This is a rookie card. He's with the Phillies. And last, Jacob DeGrom. I've been hearing a lot of good things about this guy. I think he meant, if I'm not mistaken, he had a real huge contract, I think. So we'll be looking out for good things for him this year. Like I say, he's with the Mets, man. That Mets team is trying to do something. They're always overshadowed by the Yankees, the evil empire. They got to come on with it. First up, Jake Myers, my hometown kid, rookie card. There's Harrison Bader, St. Louis. Future stars, Jake, how do we say his name? Cronenworth. Looks like he's Padres. This is Ian Happ. Happ is with like Chicago. Uniform looks a little different. Last but not least, Sammy Long, rookie card. Either it's a reflector or a black card. I don't know what's the right words for this. Not numbered though. Pack number 7. First up, Whit Merrifield. Okay. Nelson Cruz. The 35th edition again. Oh, Wonder. This is his rookie card. Wonder, yes, sir. And Giancarlo Stanton. Now, Stanton came to Houston this year. But oh, Wonder. Wonder what you're going to do for me. I wonder if you're going to pay off a little money. Let's see about top loading this guy. Yes, sir. Make sure the old edges stay crispy. I hope I ain't got no fingerprints on it. Nice. Nothing numbered again, but oh, we'll sit you right there. Get your little shine. Get your shine on, like Birdman, I'm saying. All right, last but not least, like that. Some of my boys do them reveals. They kill me with that. What? Wait a minute. See, again, I don't be checking out baseball like I used to, man. What in the hell is Albert Pujols doing in a Dodgers uniform? Come on now. He barely got away with the Angels, his same color as the Cardinals. This is Vidal Brilliant. I know I'm chopping his name all the way up. He's with Tampa Bay Rays as well. This is his rookie card. Again, Ryan Mountcastle. This may be some type of refractor. It got that shine on it. All right. Rookie card of Tony Santillan with the Reds. And last but not least, this is Cal Riley, rookie card with the Mariners. Pink edition. See if it's numbered. Nope, no numbers. But yeah, I think this might be the coup de grace that we pulled out right here. Oh, Wanda rookie card on 35th edition. And matter of fact, he going into a top holder as well. Just so it won't be no shenanigans. Oh, watch it. I'm messing up the scenery. My bad. My bad. Yeah, but here we go. Top holder. Penny holder. Little shake and bake, baby, Ricky Bobby. And he in there. So, see, I pulled a couple nice little cards, man. I gotta go back and check them out and see what the comps is on some of those cards. Again, with the names, I'm, not quite familiar with everybody. But hey, again, this has been I Will 3 of the Slab Kings. Again, like and subscribe. Bring you more content. And hey, like I say, I'm new to the game. I'm independent. I don't have any sponsors or vendors or anything like that. So all these, packages and cards that you see, the stuff that I'm purchasing out of my own pocket, so I may not be able to get some of the exclusives, some of the other breakers do. But hey, I know I'm collecting for my enjoyment, and I do some flipping, so if there's a chance to make $1 on something that I'm not trying to keep in my personal collection, I will do it. And again, this is I Will 3 with the Slab Kings, baby, and we signing out.